Hey YouTube, welcome to Credit Viral. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get a cash loan ranges from $200 to $1,000 with no credit effect and not even a soft pull. But before moving forward this video, I would like to tell you that I am going to upload another amazing video which will allow you to get a $2,000 credit card with no credit check. So in order to get notified about that video, please subscribe to the channel, like the video and click on the bell icon so you will get notified when we upload that video for you. So without wasting any time, let's get straight into the video. I'm going to make this video very short and precise because I don't want to stretch it a lot, and the reason is because I know that a lot of people will be really excited about this opportunity, because especially with this COVID thing going on, a lot of people need cash in their pocket. So in order to do that, there are some steps you need to follow. So I'm going to tell you how you can do that with step by step. So today the loan that you can get, and it's a cash loan, it's from Signature Federal Credit Union. Yes, you have heard it right. It's not Signature Financial Credit Union, that's a different one. It's Signature Federal Credit Union. So what they do exactly, the first and the most important requirement that they have is that you have to be a member first, and it's really easy. Just go to their website. I will add the link in the description of the video. Please go there and become a member. There is no fee or any sort of other requirement. The only thing you need to do, you just need to become a member by putting your information in, and the next thing you need to do, you need to actually be with them for at least 2 months. So what you can do, just do the transactions. It doesn't matter, it can range from $10 to $100, or even if you want to have a direct deposit with them, that this will be a great one, because what they see exactly, they want to see that what sort of financial points and relationship you have with them. So in order to do that, please deposit some money in it. It doesn't matter, it's going to be $10, $20, but do it for at least 2 months, and after 2 months you will be eligible to get this loan, ranges from $200 to $1,000. So there are a couple of things that I want you to know before you apply for this loan. The loan amount ranges from $200 to $1,000, as you can see right in front of your screen. So when you apply for it, there's a $20 application fee. So I know if you're going to apply for $200, and if you go to a payday cash loan, they charge insane APR, and I don't want you guys to get stuck in it. But with them, there is zero APR, and that's what I love about them. So their zero APR stays for 6 months. So you can pay this loan after 6 months, or actually not after 6 months, under 6 months. But after that, of course, they will charge you an APR of 8.67%. That is not a lot, but still it's an APR. But if you're getting $200 or $1,000, so paying it off in 6 months is really easy. There is no payment plan, not any other requirement. All you need to do, you just need to pay whatever you have in your pocket. The third one that they do need, the direct deposit for 2 consecutive payrolls. They say that you can do, and I'm going to tell you a trick how you can do that. So direct deposit means that there is an income coming from an other account. So what you can do, if you have any other account, just do the Zelle or any other thing that will be counted in direct deposit. And the third thing, of course, the thing is you have to be a member. So if you are a member, then they will definitely give it to you. And the last one, and the most important one, members may only have 3 fast cash loans during 6 months. As I already told you, you can apply for this loan after every 2 months, but the first one you have to pay it in full. These are the requirements of this loan. But believe me, this is an amazing opportunity. If you always go through the payday loan and if you are going through a hard time, this is an amazing opportunity for you, that you are going to get this money without any insane APR. So So I'm going to paste the link of this credit union in my video's description. You can go there, but remember, right after this video I'm going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $2,000 credit card with no credit check and not even a soft pull. So in order to know that, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and click on the bell icon, because what it will do, whenever we upload that video, you will get a notification about it. Thank you so much, and don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you and take care.